Hi guys, this is Joyful Beats channel, and today I want to share with you my Joyful Learning Binder for toddlers. Use it with any students for learning those basic vocabulary such as colors, numbers, body parts, animals, and such. With my toddlers, I love using familiar songs, so I was sing Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Here's the pig. What sound does the pig make? With the oink oink here and an oink oink there. And so same with other ones. They would practice producing the animal sound. Moo moo here, moo moo. So for zoo animals, I would sing in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. And I would ask, where's the lion? In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the monkey sleeps tonight. So my third activity, it focuses on the colors. Brown bear, what do you see? I like to use that song with this activity. Red, red, what do you see? I see blue looking at me. So, blue, blue, what do you see? This activity is my emotions activity. And if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And for this one, you can say, if you're surprised and you know it, say, oh my, oh my. If you're silly and you know it, shake and shake, shake, shake. If you're sick and you know it, go to bed. If you're mad and you know it, say grr, 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 grr. If you're sad and you know it, boo-hoo, boo-hoo. So you're not just learning about the emotions, but you're kind of like an expression activity. So this is a body parts activity. Has where's the mouth? Where's the feet? Where's your head? And have your kid point to their head. So this one, I don't really have a song that goes to it, but we can have your child point to their own nose or point to my nose. So focus more on like the real life figures. This is a fruit activity, and for this one, I like to use I like to eat apples and banana. Then I like to eat grape and kiwi. Just have your child put it on, and I don't have a song for this. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little numbers. Have your child point to the number. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little numbers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little numbers. 10 little numbers I see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. That song along with the lowercase. After completing the basic levels, this level of activity has mixture of numbers, objects, and etc. So I was saying, there was an old lady who swallowed a 7. Where's the 7? And your child would point to 7. Or you can put small objects and put it on top of the 7. For this one, you can use the same concept. There was an old lady who swallowed a circle. Where's the circle? Circle. I don't know why she swallowed the circle. She swallowed the circle to swallow the star. I don't know why she swallowed the star. Perhaps she'll die. You can have your child trace the letters first and say out loud A. A's for an apple, A's for an apple. B's for backpack, B's for the backpack. C's for the cat, D's for the dog, D's for the dog. So you can sing along that tune with all the alphabets.